A crusade for justice. The family of Justin King still pressing for accountability months after his death. Crawford County investigators telling News 4 the U.S. Attorney's Office is looking into King's death.
And a neighbor shot him and then killed him out of self-defense. In the fall, the Filipino black man was shot and killed by his white neighbor in Bourbon. That's an hour southwest of St. Louis. News 4's Dion Broxton is getting reaction from the King family and what might come of this.
Any and everybody that's interested in justice for my son.
John King is elated the U.S. Attorney's Office is reviewing the death of his son, Justin King. 3.5 months after a white man killed his black and Filipino son in rural Bourbon, Missouri, he still wants answers.
It's been hush-hush, just like the coroner's inquest, where they wouldn't allow us to record.
Back in January, a jury of 6 justified the shooter's actions after watching videos showing Justin King forcing his way into his killer's house. The Crawford County prosecutor closed the case, but now the county says the feds are taking a look.
The feds, of course, don't have a general murder statute.
One law professor tells me that officials here at the U.S. Attorney's Office can press charges, but she's not sure what charges will be brought.
I don't know, but I bet they're going to do an investigation to see if they can bring charges under that provision.
That provision she's talking about is for a hate crime.
The shooter shot and killed the victim because of their race or their perceived race.
The King family continues to point to race as a factor in this case and lack of transparency.
Absolutely nothing. I mean, and that's been the whole problem the whole time since November 3rd, Dion. No one has reached out to us to give us any information.
John King says he and his lawyers still haven't seen all of the evidence in this case.
My attorney is still having to decipher through it.
News 4 requested public records as well. Because the U.S. Attorney's Office is reviewing the case, those files can't be given to us right now. Dion Broxton, News 4.